In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-download save attachments from Outlook to folder. We'll set up a reliable workflow so that attachments land in a folder you choose without you lifting a finger each time. First, create the destination folder in File Explorer. Pick a spot you control, like Documents, and give it a simple, clean name. Avoid special characters, keep the path short, and make sure you have permission to save files there. For example, a path inside your Documents folder works well. This reduces issues later when the macro tries to write files. Next, open the Outlook desktop app and launch the VBA editor by pressing Alt plus F11. In the project pane, right-click Modules, choose Insert, then Module. This creates a blank code window for your macro. Paste a standard macro from a trusted guide that saves email attachments to disk. Look in the code for a variable often called as save folder. Replace its value with the exact folder path you just created, matching capitalization and slashes. While you're there, check that the macro name matches what you plan to run from a rule. Save attachments to disk is a common name and makes it easy to find later. Click Save in the editor and then close it to return to Outlook. If your organization restricts macros, make sure you're allowed to use them before proceeding. Now, set up the rule that triggers the macro. In Outlook, go to Home, choose Rules, then Manage Rules Alerts, and click New Rule. Start from a blank rule by selecting Apply Rule on Messages I Receive. Choose the conditions that fit your workflow, maybe messages from a specific sender with a particular subject, or leave conditions broad if you want every attachment saved. In the Actions list, select Run a Script and choose the macro you added, such as Save Attachments to Disk. Complete the wizard, click Finish, and confirm the rule is enabled in the Rules Alerts window. Time to test. Send yourself an email with an attachment that matches your rules conditions. After it arrives, check your folder and confirm the file appears automatically. If nothing shows up, verify the folder path in your macro is exact, the rule is enabled, and the macro name you selected in the rule matches the one in the code. Also make sure the message actually meets the conditions you set. That's it. You now have a hands-off system that saves Outlook attachments straight to your chosen folder. Thanks for watching.